Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making cinnamon smear scones. Smear? Is it smear? Is it schmear? I don't know. Whatever it is cinnamon butterscotch deliciousness, which is going to go inside your cinnamon scone, topped with more cinnamon. It is cinnamon nirvana. Oh yes. Have I made this before? Oh, come on, you all know. Of course not. So we're gonna be making it together. In fact, I have made scones before using a pastry blender, that thing with the shards and you press it in. It's a good workout. But today, we're gonna have the food processor do all the hard work and see if it makes a difference. Certainly makes for lighter work. We're also making it because we're making cinnamon scones. Oh yes, we are. We can eat them all day and every day. Every day? Yeah, I like that idea. Let's do this. First things first, preheat your oven to 425 degrees. We're starting with the smear/schmear. Half cup butterscotch chips. 1/3 cup brown sugar. 3 tablespoons room temperature butter. 1 tablespoon cinnamon. Pulse until it is rough and pasty looking. This definitely looks rough and pasty. Empty it into a separate bowl. Wipe out your bowl. We're going to be using it again to make the dough. 3 cups all-purpose flour. 1/3 cup sugar. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Blend together. 8 tablespoons of butter that's already in chunks. Make a mealy, crumbly mixture. Place in a large mixing bowl. This is a cup of evaporated milk. We're going to add 1 egg into it and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to blend that together. Add to your dough and blend together until it just comes together. Flour your surface well. Turn out your dough. We're going to knead this a bit, but we're going to add that schmear in the middle. Here's that schmear. Yum, yum, yum. Doesn't have to be in any special way. It's okay if it looks marbleized. That's how this is going to be such a wonderful thing. Okay, don't want to work it too much, so I'm going to stop. Divide into 2. Pat into a 5-inch circle. It should be about 1 inch thick, so let's check that thickness here. That's about right. Cut into 6 or 8 wedges. One-third cup of sugar. Mix in 2 teaspoons cinnamon, making the topping. Whisk 1 egg white. I got ahead of myself and I mixed that egg white into the cinnamon and sugar. Don't do that. Take your egg white, brush it on top of your scones, and then add the cinnamon sugar on top of it. I don't like to waste ingredients, so I'm going to go ahead and use that egg white, cinnamon, and sugar topping I have, and we'll see what happens. Into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes until the tops are golden and the bottoms are browned. time to take them out. Nice light golden brown. Oh my, they got big. Gonna let them cool for a moment and then move them over so they can cool a little further, and then we're gonna try them. Look at this yummy cinnamon with smear, with butterscotch chips in the middle, scone. Smells heavenly. That topping that I messed up made it sort of crackly, but in a nice, hard, crunchy, crackly way, which I think is going to be utterly delicious. So is it a mistake? Maybe. Is it still going to be delicious? Oh, heck yes. Let's take a bite. Mmm. 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 You see that schmear in the middle? You get loads of cinnamon. You get that classic scone buttery taste. And then that butterscotch comes right through with some more cinnamon to just wallop you. Bam! With the cinnamon and butterscotch. This is a delicious scone. If I can make my own scone, even with that mistake, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. I'm waiting for more requests. Let me know what you would like me to bake or what song you would like to challenge me to sing.